Hello planner lovelies, how are you guys? I'm doing well, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. It's nice to have ya. Today I have a plan with me for the week of Valentine's, so this does not look very Valentine's in front of you, right? So I failed at buying a Valentine's Day kit. I don't even know where it went. It was just, phew, the time was gone. So, anywho, what I have here is a kit that I bought back during a Black Friday or Cyber Monday sale, and it's not extremely Christmas. It's red and green and gray and black, with some light touches of like a frosty blue. And if you guys don't know, I live in Washington State, and we have gotten pelted with snow. So even if I wanted to place an order in the last couple of weeks for a Valentine's Day kit, even with some of the faster shipping shops, I still probably wouldn't have it. So there's power outages, the mail's not running, the roads are impassable. In Western Washington, we're not used to this kind of weather, so we're not exactly prepared. We don't have the fleet of sanding trucks or plows or things like that, so we are under a state of emergency. There's a lot of shelters open and things like that, but thankfully where I am we still have power, so hence I'm able to film for you guys. But I'm going to use this 'Tis the Season kit. I know, Christmas, right? But I'm going to show you how to make this work, because I think all of us do this. We find all these kits at a great sale like right around the holidays, and we forget there's only like 4 weeks in December to actually plan for Christmas, which happens to me because I still have Christmas kits that I bought that I definitely didn't need to, but for some reason in my head I thought that I did. So we're going to turn this into a Valentine's Day kit. So first up here is the glitter headers, or are the glitter headers. Here are the date cover-ups, which I will use because the ones in the planner are pink, which yeah, you guys can barely see it, but it's there. Then we have, oh, this is from TempLovesCrafts. Then we have the full box sheet, the sidebar boxes, and all the various other boxes, her functional sheet, and then a bottom washi and washi strips and some appointment labels. So this week is probably fairly simple for me, but I did pull a bunch of gold foil, including this heart bottom washi overlay in gold. It does have a set of header overlays. I have the bow overlays from So Cute Planner. I have solid gold, which I don't know if I'll use these. I might swap these out for like the green maybe. And then I have the gold little check boxes. I was like, what is that noise? It's Cora, she's in her cage. I was like, what the heck? But I also pulled out this washi. This was from Hobby Lobby several years ago in their Valentine's Day section. I don't know why I remember that, but I do. I remember buying it. I remember being there with my husband. So this is one of the ones that does have a paper backing, so it's a little bit more of a pain to work with. But what I thought I would do is use this and then layer the washi from the kit under it, and then cut that, and then put down the overlay and cut that, so I could get 2 weeks out of the overlay instead of 1. So this is a collab with the Plan With Me design group. We do this every single week, and I'm going to show you last week here really quick. This was the Hot Cocoa Mini Kit from SaraElizabethPrints. You guys, I know my planner has been BriannaNicoleDesignz, SaraElizabethPrints, and TempLovesCrafts here for the last little bit, but that's who I have a plethora of kits from. I finally placed an order with Hurricane Randy, which I haven't ordered from her in quite a long time. So that'll be coming, but it's during one of her huge sales, so it'll probably be like a month before I get it. But I ordered like crazy, like summer, Halloween, like all kinds of just random kits that I knew I would use throughout the year. But anyway, this is how it all came out. Came out beautiful. I feel like it was perfect with, let's see, We did no school. My kids were kind of sick. It kind of just all went together in this crazy way. We had another snowstorm move on Friday. There was lots of snow. We got more snow today. Today is Sunday. I'm planning a day later than I thought I would because I was so busy clearing sidewalks with my husband and clearing cars and everything like that. So we're expecting more snow tomorrow and the next day, and then Thursday, Friday. Thursday will be snow. Friday should be like a sleet, freezing rain deal. Tuesday might be sleet and freezing rain as well. So just absolutely crazy weather for us. This has been the most snowfall we have ever had in February, according to the news. So I'm going to jump into this. We'll play some music. I don't know what I'll pick, but I hope you guys do enjoy, and I will talk to you again at the end. So here we go. Alrighty guys, so here it is all done. This was a feat. I tried to keep it more of the pink, red, and blue, and I think I did a pretty good job with that. I haven't really pulled in any of the really dark green stickers. So I feel like it's Valentine's Day, but wintry. I went ahead and did the overlays over the entire washi instead of trying to fuss with cutting it because I had such a hard time with that. So that definitely used up that entire overlay sheet, which this was a $2 Tuesday, and for someone that doesn't have the ability to do that, it's, you know, it's nice to be able to buy them for $2. I have one set of the bows left. I have 2 weeks of these solid gold headers, and I need to use them because they're cut shy. I think they're cut to fit inside of the Erin Condren boxes instead of covering the line, so it shows a little bit on the Recollections planner. I'm going to take these little boxes with me. I'm going to set these glitter headers aside because glitter headers never go bad, right? And then I have a ton of stuff still left, obviously, because, well, I didn't really fill out this week because I really don't know what's happening. Here's the problem, is that as of right now, the kids don't have school tomorrow, and, I don't know if I'm working. I don't know what the roads are going to be like in the morning. And it's really hard to plan for anything at this point. So I'm just not planning for anything. And hopefully that, you know, will flush itself out relatively soon. Based on the information that the news has come out with today, it looks like we're in for a heck of a February. But all this is coming down from Canada, and that's just how it is. I hope you guys enjoyed the plan with me. I know, like I said, it's not much, but definitely follow me on Instagram. Links are in the description box below to the Plan With Me design group. And I hope you have a wonderful and happy Valentine's Day. And for everyone in the Midwest and the Northeast, stay warm. Same thing for everybody here in Washington and Oregon. Stay warm. You know, take care of yourselves, take care of your families. And I hope that we can all find joy in the white fluffy stuff that has graced us. So I will talk to you guys again very, very soon. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.